Good evening and happy Valentine's Day. I decided to do a quick tutorial because I'm cooking dinner on Valentine's. That's okay for my family. I'm going to roast a whole chicken. So I came to show you what ingredients I use to season up the chicken. And I'm going to show you how I make my whole roasted chicken. So I just poured a little bit of canola oil on the chicken just so that the seasoning will stick. And I put garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, Goya adobo, basil. I also put fresh thyme leaves, cayenne pepper, black pepper, ground paprika, onion powder, and I crushed allspice, pimento seeds. And I also added some browning and rubbed up the chicken. And I also added to this fresh onion, garlic, and I stuffed it up inside of the chicken. Stay tuned. I'll come back to show you how you do the rest. Okay, so here I have the chicken already in these oven bags that I buy. They're really made for turkeys, but you can use them for chicken also. And they're the Reynolds oven bags, and makes the cleanup easier. So I put it in a full aluminum pan, and I put the chicken inside of the bag, and I poured all the seasoning over the chicken. I went ahead and I poked holes with the knife all inside of the chicken, all on the chicken flesh. I poked holes so that the seasoning can go down in those holes. And as it's cooking and the juices fall off, I can spoon the juices back over. I have an injector, but I can't find it. So generally I would inject the chicken with seasoning, but I'm doing it this way because I can't find my injector. So you're going to put it in an oven, 375 degrees, sealed. You're going to close this bag and put aluminum foil over it and bake it in the oven for about an hour and check on it. Stay tuned for the finished results. Okay, so this is the chicken. It's been in there for about an hour in the oven bag. And when it's in the oven bag and you put the foil paper over it and seal it, it helps the chicken to cook really fast. So now I have some of the juice from the bag, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour it back over the chicken, trying to pour it on every part of the chicken so that all the holes that I've created soaks up all that good juice, all that seasoned juice. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes so it can get that dark brown color that I love. And then I will come back and show you the finished results. So stay tuned for the whole roasted chicken finale.